Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Creating a ringtone application in Java typically involves working with the Android SDK, as Android is the most common platform that utilizes custom ringtones. Below is a step-by-step tutorial that explains how to create a simple Android application that allows users to set a custom ringtone. #### Prerequisites. 1. Android Studio. Ensure you have the latest version of Android Studio installed. 2. Basic knowledge of Java, familiarity with Java and Android development concepts. 3. Android device or emulator, to test your application. Step 1, create a new Android project. 1. Open Android Studio and select New Project. 2. Choose Empty Activity and click Next. 3. Name your project, example Ringtone app. 4. Set the package name and choose a location for your project. 5. Select Java as the language and choose the minimum API level. API 21 is a good starting point. 6. Click Finish. Step 2, add permissions. To set a ringtone, you need to request the appropriate permissions. Open your Android manifest.xml file and add the following permissions. Starting from Android 6.0, API level 23, you will also need to request permissions at runtime. Step 3, create the user interface. Open activity_main.xml and design a simple interface with a button to set the ringtone and an edit text to input the path of the ringtone file. Step 4, implement the logic. Now, open main-activity.java and implement the logic to set the ringtone. Here's an example. Step 5, testing the application. 1. Connect your Android device or launch an emulator. 2. Make sure you have a valid audio file on your device. Enter the full path of the audio file in the edit text. 3. Click the Set Ringtone button to set the custom ringtone. Important notes. File path. Ensure that the path you provide for the ringtone file is accessible and correct. You may also consider using a file picker to help users select a file. Permissions. The app needs the right _settings permission, which may require additional steps for users to enable it manually in the settings. Ringtone types. You can modify the code to set alarms or notifications by changing the appropriate values in the content values. Conclusion. You have now created a simple Android application that allows users to set a custom ringtone using Java. This tutorial covers the basics, but you can expand upon it by adding features like file browsing, ringtone previews, or a more sophisticated UI. Happy coding!